We're testing the lamps first since the customer is providing the hardware, so we need to confirm that the lamps and all lighting functions work properly.
Checking car plug connections and comparing wiring diagrams to identify what needs to be rewired or disconnected and which power supplies need to be added or removed. For Volvo V40 from 2014 onwards, Xenon to LED conversion is available as a postal service. For other conversions, such as halogen to LED, vehicle must be brought to our workshop. Find us online and contact us to book an appointment. VolvoDiagnostic.com